This is a scenario for a simple accounting. I'm using it for home accounting to check what I'm buying from shop and to write it all down so I know all my expenses. This one works with Telegram, but obviously you can use other programs like WhatsApp, or you can just upload your receipts to Google Drive. But for me, Telegram is most easiest one. And it works like this, that I drop here in Telegram a invoice. And now this check is given to AI. This AI is built in make.com. AI analyzes it, sends me back in Telegram an answer. Here it is separating what is necessary and what is not necessary. For example, just food is necessary, junk food is not necessary. And it also adds it here in Google Sheet. It also filters it by category, so later you can create the graphics and you see very well on what money is going. But here is the main separation that I did, what was necessary and unnecessary spendings. So this is quite simple scenario that I'm gonna show you now, but it is pretty nice tool to know on which your money is going the most. From my previous videos I have showed how to connect Telegram bot, so this part I'm gonna skip. Here is a module to download this image from Telegram. It is quite easy, you just have to add this download a file module. Here have a right connection and here have a file ID. This number 3 that I added over here is making sure that I'm having a good quality image. And this number 3 I took from this previous module. Here you can see message, photo, and here you can see it has 3 arrays. First size is the smallest, second you can see is bigger, and the third one is biggest. So that's why I put here number 3. So it's gonna take this third array, the best quality image, so AI is not gonna make any mistakes while analyzing this receipt. This is AI that is built in Make. It is called Make AI Content Extractor. If you click on it, then you have here multiple options. For example, you can extract information from invoice, from receipt. I'm using from receipt right now, from the document. If I'm not wrong, then it is using ChatGPT. It is quite comfortable tool to use because then you don't have to prompt AI yourself. You just spend the credits, and this module actually works pretty well. And next thing that I had was AI that would separate what is necessary and what is unnecessary. I did here prompting, nothing magical. Actually, this AI right here is not necessary, but I added it because I want to receive an answer after sending an receipt, just to make sure that AI have read everything properly and is adding everything to Google Sheet. So this is the module that sends me back to Telegram. If you don't know how to use Telegram properly, I recommend watching my other videos because there I explain everything in detail. I'm taking a chat ID from module number 1 and I'm using AI results to answer them here in Telegram. And I did not touch anything else. And the next thing that I added was this option to add everything to Google Sheets. For that I used another AI, and here I had also a nice prompt to classify each item. This categorizing is not important, but I did it because later I want to see on which category I spent the most, but the most important thing was to output everything with right prices. And output here is gonna be in JSON array file. In this way it is much easier to put it here in Google Sheet. For that I'm using Grok for fast non-reasoning. Non-reasoning because in that case it's not gonna do anything outside of this prompt, so it's always gonna give me a JSON array and nothing else. Here I added the same items that I got from Make AI Content Extractor, turned off web search because I don't need it. I need it specifically be for these items, and that's it for this AI. Then answer of this AI went here to JSON file. I don't have anything magical here, just put the results from AI. So first result came out from AI like this, and then after parsing with JSON it came out cleanly like this. So now I can take these items separately and put them beautifully here in Google Sheet. I mapped out my Google Sheet. If you don't know how to use Google and Google Sheet and how to connect it to Make, definitely watch my previous videos. And here I added the item itself, added the category that AI was categorizing, and the most important thing for me was to see is it necessary or necessary item. Only thing that I will add here in between is router, because not every time you are sending a receipt, sometimes you want to write it just as text. For example, if I'm going to take a gas, then I don't take a receipt. I'm just gonna write, for example, 50 euros on gas. So that's why I'm gonna put router over here and add couple filtering. One filter is gonna be that if it is including receipt, and for that I'm gonna search here for photo, and I'm gonna make sure that it goes through only if this file ID over here exists. So if there is no file ID, it's not gonna go to this route. And here in upper, I'm gonna add another filter, which is gonna be for text. And here I'm gonna make sure that it goes through only if text itself exists. For that, I'm gonna take message and text and add a filter exist and click save. And the next module that I'm gonna add over here is gonna be actually very simple. Let me check what I need. Here was my analyzer. I think I'm gonna put this analyzer also. So I'm just gonna clone this one. I'm gonna add it here, delete this in between, auto align to make it beautiful. And here, delete this total value of my previous, because this time I'm gonna use this text from my message. And also here in assistant role, I'm gonna add exactly the same message. So now it's gonna do exactly the same job like here in below, but it's just gonna skip a step where it is taking a receipt, and it's just gonna analyze my text that I am gonna send. So I'm just gonna copy exactly the same module from below. For text, I'm gonna use results from this AI before. And also I'm gonna need all those last modules as well, because still I want to add this same item here in Google Sheet. Just have to change the input. So here it is. It's gonna be again text from the message. Everything else is gonna stay the same. Here is gonna stay everything the same. And here everything is gonna stay also the same because it's from a module 22. And this is module 22 now. So yes, I don't have those items yet, but I'm gonna have it after the run. So that's why I'm keeping everything here the same. So also auto align to make it beautiful and save. So now I'm gonna try to send here some text, for example, gas 50 euros. Let's run it once and see what it's gonna do. As you can see, it went from the road below. It translated for me to Russian and also for some reason to Ukrainian. And if I now scroll down, then you can see here it is, gas, also a category for a gas, and it was necessary. And unnecessary is adding a 0. And why I have 0 here is to make everything work properly, because otherwise if I would not have unnecessary this here, this last module of Google Sheet will run into an error, because I would not have array or an item to put here in this category, and it will just run into an error. So that's why I have here in AI this prompt that if item is necessary, then it's gonna put price in the necessary category, but unnecessary is gonna be 0, and opposite with the unnecessary, it's gonna put into the necessary ally zeros, and to the unnecessary it's gonna put the actual price. So that's why I had here zeros to make it properly work in make.com. So I'm gonna run this scenario every time now when I write again. So this is a simple home accounting assistant that I have here in Telegram. It is nothing magical, but it's very helpful for home. If you have any questions about this scenario or something else, then write a comment down below. Or if you need actual accounting automation, then write me an email and I can definitely help you out. But for now, have a beautiful day.